One of the biggest selling point of Motorola phone is their clean bloatware free Android experience, and that's why they always keep the number of pre-installed apps very less on their smartphone. And for this minimal experience, they also doesn't include gallery app within their app list. But instead, you get Google Photos that work as main photo and video gallery. So if you go to app drawer and search for Photos app, you can find Google Photos within the list. And if you open this app, you can find all the photos and videos that you have taken on your Motorola smartphone. So you can use this Google Photos as your primary photos app on your Motorola smartphone. But if you cannot able to find Google Photos app within the list, then most probably while removing some app, you also disabled Google Photos on Motorola phone. So to get this back, just open Play Store app on your device. Now click on the search icon at bottom and then search for Google Photos. Here you will see a enable option. So just click on it to enable the app. Once you enable this, you can open Google Photos and use it normally. Apart from this, you can also use the Files app on the Motorola smartphone, and within the Files app you can find all the photos and videos. So that's it. If this video helped you in any way, make sure to like it, share it and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.